Hey guys, welcome back again. This is MJ and here I'm going to show you how to set auto default video quality for YouTube video. So just open the Chrome browser and in Google search for Chrome Web Store. Okay, take this one, first one, click on this. Okay, done. Now the Chrome Web Store will open and select the extension. Here you can see extension, and in the search bar, in the search box, just type your quality for YouTube. Okay, done. Just search. Okay, fine. Here you can see the your quality for YouTube. This is the extension for Chrome browser. Just click on this. Good. And your click on add to Chrome. Okay, done. It's adding. Okay, click on add. That's it. Okay, here you can see the message. The extension is added to my Chrome browser, and here you can see the icon, and here I will select any quality. I will take 360. Okay, I have taken 360. Now that's it. Close this all thing and come to YouTube. Open the YouTube. Okay, play this video. Okay, done. So I have set the quality 360. You can see here 360. Okay, now I will check in the video quality. Okay, here you can see, look at that, the default. Okay. So whenever you play the YouTube video, it will automatically take the quality to all YouTube video. You don't need to set the quality again and again when you play the YouTube video. So like this, you can, if you want to change the quality of your videos, just click on icon and select here 480 or 720 and then play your video, and it will play the your selected or your chosen video quality for YouTube videos. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.